Hey guys, so I came across a really cool product on Amazon. These are some wired headphones. Comes in a variety of different colors. There's white and orange, white and blue, black and orange, and black and blue. Really cool material, very long. There's an adjuster so you could put the headphones where you'd like them to be, all the way up here, all the way down here. It stops right here where there is a pause button, play and pause, and a volume adjuster where you could put the music to the maximum amount or the minimum. So let's try it out. Let's press the play button and the volume all the way up. Now let's pause it. So it's really cool because it's hard to fall out of your ear, and once the volume's at its maximum amount, it cancels the noise out. So it's pretty cool. You could get this product on Amazon.